In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Power BI to either US or UK format. Power BI is a powerful tool for data visualization, but sometimes adjusting the settings to meet your regional needs can be tricky. One common task is ensuring that dates are formatted correctly for your audience, whether they're in the United States or the United Kingdom. So, let's dive in and tackle this in a straightforward manner. First off, to adjust the date format in Power BI, we need to start by changing the language settings. These settings can affect how dates are displayed because date formats differ between regions. For instance, the US format typically follows a month-day/year structure, while the UK format generally follows a day/month/year pattern. This difference can lead to confusion if not set correctly. Open Power BI and navigate to the Settings menu, which you can usually find under the File tab in most versions of Power BI. Within the settings, locate the language options. Changing the language here will affect how Power BI interprets date data across your reports. Once you're in the language settings, you'll want to select the language that corresponds to your desired date format. If you're switching from a US format to a UK format, for instance, you'll need to select English, United Kingdom, from the list. Conversely, if you want to switch to US format, choose English on United States. This small adjustment tells Power BI to interpret and format dates according to the conventions of that country. It's a good idea to double-check your work here, as even experienced users can sometimes select the incorrect setting by mistake. Take a moment to save your changes before exiting this menu. This ensures that all your hard work doesn't go to waste if you accidentally close Power BI or your computer shuts down unexpectedly. After changing language settings, let's see the impact on our data. Open a data file or report with dates to verify the switch. Check various elements like tables or visualizations to confirm that the dates now reflect your chosen format. Sometimes even after changing settings, data might not display as expected. If that happens, don't worry. Refreshing the data model can often solve this issue by syncing up the new settings with your existing data. Simply go to the Home tab and select Refresh. This updates the view to reflect any changes made in the settings. That's it! You've successfully updated your date format preferences in Power BI to cater to your specific regional needs. This change might seem small, but it's a crucial step in ensuring your data is both accurate and easily understood by your audience. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll explore more ways to optimize your Power BI experience.